Name the part of the brain which is responsible for the following action, that is beating of heart. So NCERT, let us see. So let us look at the other use of the word reflex, what we have talked about in the introductions. Reflex is, involuntary actions which we don't have a control over it. So one of that is mentioned here, our heart beats without our thinking about it. So that means the heart beating is also connected with the brain. In fact, heart beating, there is sinoatrial node which itself generates action potential for the beating of heart. However, there is a connection with brain also. So in fact, we cannot control these actions easily by thinking about them, even if we want to do. So in between the simple reflex action, okay. So many of these involuntary actions are controlled by the midbrain and hindbrain, and all these involuntary actions, including blood pressure, salivation, and vomiting, are controlled by the medulla in the hindbrain. So the medulla will be the answer. Okay, and like I was telling, so heart is an auto-excitable organ. It means what? That heart doesn't require instruction by the brain to beat. Heart beats on its own. So that's why even heart transplants are possible, even though the brain is dead and the person is dead, but for some time the heart transplantation is possible because the heart can beat on its own. However, brain has a control over heart when there are certain impulses, certain sensory perceptions which are given to the brain. That is certain fight or flight situations, okay, and certain panic situations. So brain has a control over heart. At the same time, heart, for the regular beating of heart doesn't need brain, okay. But yes, for heart beat increases and all, that is done by one of the controls is done by medulla. And even adrenal gland also has a role to play when the heart has to beat faster. Thank you.